Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the fourth type of non-covalent interaction, which is hydrophobic interaction. So in our previous video, we had seen the ionic interaction, hydrogen bond and van der Waals force. If you had not seen that video, you can visit my YouTube channel and can go through it. So hydrophobic interaction are also known as hydrophobic effect or hydrophobic bond. These forces cause non-polar substances to cluster together to minimize their contact with water. Basically what happens that molecules in aqueous solution with water molecule interact and they form hydrogen bond and other electrostatic interaction. However, non-polar molecule cannot participate in hydrogen bonding or other electrostatic interaction. So, the interactions of non-polar molecules with water are not as favorable as our interaction between the water molecule themselves. But when non-polar molecules enters an aqueous environment, hydrogen bonded water molecule attempt to form a cage-like structure around them and becoming more ordered than water molecule free in solution. However, when two such non-polar molecules come together, some of the water molecules are released, as you can see this in the diagram. So they are released, allowing them to interact freely with bulk water. The water molecule that initially caged the non-polar molecule are released from the non-polar molecule surface, creating an increase in entropy in the surrounding, and the favorable release of water molecule from the non-polar surfaces is responsible for phenomena of the hydrophobic effect. Now, these hydrophobic interaction have a profound effect on living cells. For example, they are primarily responsible for the structure of membrane and stability of protein. So, as you can see in the first diagram, water molecule form cage-like structure around non-polar molecule and there will be the large decrease in entropy. But in the second diagram, the cage-like structure will be released and there will be an increase in entropy.